It's the start of a new day, full of new challenges to provide the very best service to your customers. You can feel confident of achieving success with Elis by your side. With 45,000 professionals at your service, Elis is dedicated to imagining, developing, and delivering textile hygiene and facility services tailor-made to you and your business. We empower your morning so you are ready to welcome your customers. Your employees feel comfortable and ready to perform at their best in an impeccable environment and the sense of well-being it brings. We empower your afternoon so that you provide a safe working environment. You ensure the quality and safety of your products and service while projecting a strong image of high-quality service. We empower your evening and night so your staff can work safely, your guests enjoy around-the-clock comfort, and you can sleep well in the knowledge that we will make sure you are fully prepared for the challenges of tomorrow. Every day, morning, noon and night, Elis is committed to your needs. We care for every detail so that every day is a great day for your customers, for your employees, for you. We empower your day.